Nai Cavite, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Music King by the rail. And moving up on the outside is Bibere, Australian Cat, Dol Belia. Chariot of Fire, Proper Bell on the outside, Cutting Edge moving up on the inside. And heading for the back stretch. It is still Music King by half length, followed by Bibere in second. And running in third by 4 lengths, Australian Cat, Dol Belia running in fourth. And moving up on the inside is Cutting Edge. On the outside, Proper Bell and Chariot of Fire. At the mid-back stretch, it is still entry number 1, and that is Music King. It's Music King by 2.5 lengths, followed by Bibere in second. And running in third is Australian Cat, Dol Belia on the outside, and Proper Bell, Cutting Edge, and Chariot of Fire. Rounding the far turn, it is still entry number 1, Music King in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Bibere in second. And Australian Cat, Dol Belia moving up on the inside. And at the last bend for home, it is still Music King in the lead. It's Music King in the lead, followed by entry number 2, Bibere, and moving up on the inside is Dol Belia. And at the top of the stretch, it is still entry number 1, and that is Music King, followed by Dol Belia, and Proper Bell on the outside, Bibere, Cutting Edge moving up on the inside. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Music King in the lead, Dol Belia by the rail, Cutting Edge. On the farther outside is Proper Bell. And at the payoff line, entry number 1, Music King and Proper Bell. Finally, Music King, Proper Bell, and close between Cutting Edge and Dol Belia.